students, those students are ready. Okay, so see, yes, I am giving. Wait a minute. That yes, chat box. Okay. Yes, Tanushri Mahadik. Tanushri Mahadik. Raise your hand, Tanushri. Okay, Tanushri, please unmute yourself.
Yes.
Yes, good morning, dear.
Good morning, teacher.
Okay, Tanushri, you have to play the role of student 1.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay.
But now not. You please read that. Okay, Prachi teacher will take it. Okay, in the next lesson, in the next section. Okay? So
Okay.
see, you should ready for that. Okay? Now see
Yes.
next one. Okay, mute yourself, Tanushri. Now there is a, yes, Arush. Yes, Arush. Unmute yourself, Arush.
Yes.
Yes, teacher.
Yes, good morning, Arush.
Good morning, teacher.
Okay, Arush, you have to play the character of student 2. Okay?
Okay, teacher.
Okay. Now please mute yourself. Okay. Very good, Arush. Now next one. Next one. Yes. Yuvraj. Yes, Yuvraj. Yuvraj, please unmute yourself. Yes, Yuvraj.
Yes, teacher.
Yes. Yuvraj, you have to play the character of student 3. Okay?
Yes.
Okay. Please mute yourself now, Yuvraj.
Yes, teacher.
Okay. Now Aradhya. Yes, Aradhya, unmute yourself.
Yes, teacher.
Good morning, Aradhya.
Good morning, teacher.
Yes, you have to play the role of student 4. Okay?
Okay, teacher.
Okay, Aradhya, mute yourself. Okay, students, and remaining students also, please be ready with any one character. Okay, student 1, 2, 3, or 4. Yes, yes, other students also be ready with your character. Okay, teacher will ask to anyone. Okay, these are the main participant, but other students also be ready with your character. Okay, so see here, a skit lesson. It is the activity based lesson, and teacher will take it tomorrow or in next section. Okay, so now today we are going to learn about the next poem. Okay, now see, after that there is a poem. Okay, sorry, there is a lesson. It that one also activity based. Okay, about the festival. Okay, so that also teacher Prachi will take. Now today I am going to teach you about the lesson, the key of kingdom. Okay, wait a minute, I am going to share a screen with you now. Yes, this is our lesson, this is our poem, The Key of the Kingdom. Okay, so today we are going to learn about the lesson, The Key of the Kingdom. Okay, so you know that key. Okay, so key we use to open lock. Okay, and see, it is the poem, A Key of the Kingdom. So see, this is a poem, and in the first stanza, all the things are going from biggest to smallest. How biggest to smallest? See here, first there is a kingdom. Okay, where the king or where the queens are live. Okay, that is kingdom. Okay, so in kingdom there is a city. Okay, so kingdom is a big part. That after that there is a city. Then in city there is a town. Okay, so see, if we took example of Maharashtra, so we are living in Maharashtra. So if we imagine that our Maharashtra is our kingdom. Okay, so Mumbai is our city and Badlapur is our town. Okay, so see, like that also we have to take here. Yes, we can imagine that there is a kingdom. Okay, in that kingdom there is a city. Okay, in that city there is a town. Okay, and in that town there is a street. Okay, and yes, in that street there is a lane. Okay, means small street, narrow street we can say. Okay, then in that lane there is a yard. Okay, yard means what? Opens place in front of our house, that is yard. Okay, where you play, or yes, where you just plant some trees, like that. Okay, so now in that yard there is a house. Okay, and in that house there is a room. Okay, and in that room there is a bed, and on that bed there is a basket, and that basket is full of flowers. Okay, so see here in the first stanza. Okay, so this is the first stanza of poem. This is the first stanza of poem, and in this first stanza, all things are going from big to small. Okay, big to small. Okay, so see here, first kingdom, then city, then town, then street, then lane, then yard, then house, then a room, then a bed, and then a basket, and basket is full of flowers. Okay, so and in the second stanza, things are going from small to big. So how small to big? So see here, first flowers in the basket. Okay, now we are going in reverse. Okay, in reverse, see first there is the flowers in the basket. Then there is a bed. Okay, so that basket on the bed. Okay, now the bed is in the room. Okay, that room is in the house. Okay, that house is that house is in the yard. Okay, that yard is in the lane. Okay, that lane is in the street. Okay, that street is in the town, and town is city, and city is in the kingdom. Okay, so see, in the first stanza we are going from biggest to smallest. The first stanza we are going from biggest to smallest. Okay, but in the second stanza we are going in reverse, that is also smallest to biggest. Okay, so understood here. Now see, we are moving further. So in poem there is a key of the kingdom. The poet takes us on a journey in the fun poem. It is a fun poem. Okay, so the poet talks about the kingdom in which there is a city. Okay, here in this poem the poet is talking about the kingdom. Okay, and in that kingdom there is a city, there is a town, there is a street, there is a lane, then there is a yard, house, and so many things are there. Okay, now see, we go from the biggest thing to the smallest thing in the first stanza, and then we are on reverse journey in the second stanza. Okay, however, the poet starts the poet starts the poem with the key to the kingdom. Okay, see here, the poem is starting from there is the key of the kingdom. Okay, and it's end with also is the key of the kingdom. Starts the poem start with the line, the key, there is the key of the kingdom, means the poet is starting from the key to the kingdom, and its ends also the key of the kingdom as well. Okay, so see, it is very interesting poem, it is very fun poem. Now first I am going to read the poem, and then I will show you a small video. So see, first I am reading the poem. There is a key of the kingdom. In that kingdom there is a city. In that city there is a town. In that town there is a street. In that street there is a lane. In that lane there is a yard. In that yard there is a house. In that house there is a room. In that room there is a bed. On that bed there is a basket, and in that basket there are some flowers. Okay, flowers in the basket, basket on the bed, bed in the room, room in the house, house in the yard, yard in the lane, lane in the street, street in the town, town in the city, city in the kingdom, and this is the key of the kingdom. Okay, so this is our poem. Now I am going to show you a small video. Okay,
this is the key of the kingdom. In that kingdom is a city. In that city is a town. In that town there's a street. In that street there winds a lane. In that lane there is a yard. In that yard there is a house. In that house there waits a room. In that room there is a table. On that table there is a basket full of flowers. This is the key of the kingdom. In that kingdom is a city. In that city is a town. In that town there's a street. In that street there winds a lane. In that lane there is a yard. In that yard there is a house. In that house there waits a room. In that room there is a table. On that table there is a basket full of flowers. This is the key of the kingdom. In that kingdom is a city. In that city is a town. In that town there's a street. In that street there winds a lane. In that lane there is a yard. In that yard there is a house. In that house there waits a room. In that room there is a table. On that table there is a basket full of flowers. is the key of the kingdom? There is a key of kingdom. In that kingdom there is a city. In that city there is a town. In that town there is a street. In that street there is a lane. In that lane there is a yard. In that yard there is a house. In that house there is a room. In that room there is a bed. On that bed there is a basket. In that basket there are some flowers. In that basket there are some flowers. Flowers in the basket. Basket on the bed. Bed in the room. Room in the house. House in the yard. Yard in the street. Street in the town. Town in the city. City in the kingdom. And this is the key of the kingdom. And this is the key of the kingdom. And this is the key of the kingdom. List all the things mentioned in the poem.
Yes, students, I hope you like video. Okay, so now further we are going to learn about some difficult words. Okay, yes, what is the meaning of kingdom? Yes, kingdom means a large area ruled by king or queen. Okay, so it's the meaning. Kingdom means a large area ruled by king or queen. Okay, now lane. Second one is lane. So what is the meaning of lane? Lane means a narrow road. Okay, lane means a narrow road. Okay, a lane means narrow road. So see students, where you are living, okay, yes, there is also some kinds of narrow roads, some kinds of lanes there. Okay, so that's are the narrow road. So lane means what? A narrow road. Okay, now next one is yard. Okay, what is the meaning of yard? A small area joined to a house or other building. So see, in front of your house, okay, there is a small, now you are living in flat, okay, but those students who are living in a bungalow or in the house, okay, so yes, there is a open area, a small open area joined to their house, that is the yard. Okay, that is yard. So see, what is the meaning of yard? A small open area joined to a house or other building. Okay, now see, what is the meaning of basket? Next word is basket here. Okay, so what is meaning of basket? Basket means a container used to hold or carry things. Okay, basket means where you put some flowers. Okay, so that is the basket. Okay, so see here, I'm going to show you a basket over here. Okay, so you can see that it is a basket. Okay, basket of flowers. Okay, wait a minute, I'm going to share a basket with you. Yes, see, it is a basket. Okay, and this basket is full of flowers. Okay, so see, what we have seen, that there is a room. Okay, there is a room. Okay, and on that bed there is a basket. So see, it's a basket, it is a container, yes, which we use to hold some flowers. Okay, so see, this is the basket. Okay, see. Okay, so see, in the lesson, in the poem, it's a poem, it's a funny poem, and in the poem there is a key of the kingdom. Okay, so in this poem we have learned about a city, okay, which is in the kingdom. Okay, and you know that all the things are going from biggest to smallest. Okay, so which is the big thing first? Okay, that is the kingdom. Kingdom is a big. Okay, so you can imagine that our India is also a kingdom. Okay, it's a, you can imagine, I am saying that imagine. Okay, just think. Okay, so kingdom means we are thinking that the things which are big and small. Okay, so you can imagine that our India is our kingdom. Okay, now see, uh, Mumbai is the city in the India. Okay, and Badlapur is town in that city. So see here, just imagine India is big. Okay, after that city. Okay, means when we compare Mumbai to Badlapur. Okay, so see, Badlapur is small. Okay, and Mumbai is big. Okay, so first there is a kingdom, after that in that kingdom there is a city, and in that city there is a town. Okay, and in that town there is a street. Okay, so you just imagine a big street in our Badlapur. Okay, so after that in that street there is a lane. Okay, means narrow road. You can imagine that the road in front of your house or your building. Okay, and in that road there is a small yard. Okay, there is a yard, and in that yard there is a house. You can imagine your building also. In that yard there is a house. Okay, and in that house there is a room. You can imagine that your room. Okay, and in that room there is a bed. Okay, and on that bed there is a basket, and the basket is full of flowers. Okay, so now we are going reverse. Okay, in reverse we are going now. We are doing reverse journey here. Okay, so see, first yes, this poem means first stanza end with the flowers. Okay, now in the second stanza we will start with the flowers. Okay, so flowers in the basket. Okay, and that basket, where is the basket? That basket is on the bed. Okay, where is the bed? Bed is in the room. Okay, and where is the room? Room is in the house. Okay, and where is the house? House is in the yard. Yard in the lane, and lane in the street. Okay, then street in the town. Town in the city. City in the kingdom, and this is the key of the kingdom. Okay, so see, this is very interesting, very funny poem. Okay, this is the key of kingdom, and I hope you liked it. Okay.